So, we are back again, the second video, and I'm excited again because I've got a new thing for my DJI Mavic Pro. I think it's a little bit, looks a little bit boring with this gray or yeah, whatever. So I've got something new for us, and this is it. I bought it in the internet, it looks pretty nice and I hope it's easy to stick it on. So wish me luck, and in a few moments you're gonna see the result. I'm excited. Let's start working. Hello, I am back. It took me a while, but that doesn't mean that it's difficult, because I'm not the guy who does this really good. So for me it was pretty easy, I have to say. So I'm impressed, I'm really impressed. So I like the design. Here is it. That's the end result. It seems to be a really good wrap, so it was easy to work with it, and it is totally fine for in my opinion. Here you can see still the DJI logo. When you order this once at this website, you get 2 wraps for the batteries. So I was also ordering 2 others because I want to buy 2 other batteries. So I have some in stock. It looks good. It's fine for me and it's unique. That's what it should be. So I don't want to make any commercial, but just if anyone wants to know where I've got this, it's from a German site. You know, I'm from Austria, so it was easy because of shipping and so on. So decalco.com. Yeah, I hope you liked this little short video. Please leave a comment, or at least one thumb up if you liked it. Please let me know if you want to have something else or hear something else from me. I'm happy to read any comments, and yeah, see you guys soon. Bye!